Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. And in today's video, I'm just going to show you how to highlight your mouse cursor on Windows 10. So that basically you get this yellow kind of circle. If you find this video helpful today, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to do this, what we're going to do is first of all open up the Microsoft Store. So we're just going to come down and click the search box down here and then click Store and open up the Microsoft Store. And what you need to do from here is actually click the search box at the top of the page on the Microsoft Store app. And in the search box you want to type mouse highlight and then click enter. And what we're going to do is just click this one here under apps, which is called mouse pointer, the one with a picture of the little face. And I've already got this installed on my computer. So it's just going to say launch, but instead of launch, it's actually going to say install up here. So you would just go ahead and click install. And once the product's installed, if it doesn't load up straight away, all you need to do is just come to your start menu. And what you want to do is just scroll down till you get to M. And you'll see it's just on there, it's called mouse highlights. So go ahead and click that to open up the program. Once that's opened up, what you need to do is you've got a settings box which is going to come up. And there's a few things you can change in here. So you can change the size of the circle. At default it's set to 30, but you can make it larger or smaller. You just input a number, hit enter, and you can see I've changed it to 60. That's made the circle bigger. You can also change the opacity, so how basically transparent it is, and you can change the color down here. So for example, I could change it to red, click OK, and you can see the circles change to red. You've also got a click highlight feature, which is basically turned on by default, but if you want to disable, you just need to click the box here. And what this does is basically every time you click, it's going to show a circle like this. So again, I could change the color, I could change that to green and click OK. You can see you get a green dot every time I'm clicking. And if you want to turn that off, just click the tick box there. And you can see that no longer comes up when I click. So I hope you found that helpful. If that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there's a link in the video description down below. If you go ahead and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.